as soon as we received this news, we were we were shocked. I mean,
फाइनल में पहुंच गई थी, उसको तो गोल्ड लाना था। और लेकिन ये अचानक ये क्या होगा, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड। मुझे तो लगता है कि कॉन्स्पिरेसी है, या कोई पॉलिटिकल वो है, आई डोंट नो।
our even the small kids that I spoken to, because I am attached to the school kids also, they were messaging, sir, how is this possible? How is this possible? How can they do that?
इसको इसकी इंक्वायरी कराई जाए, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है इसमें कुछ ना कुछ कॉन्स्पिरेसी है, ये ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए था। सो
Generally, the Asians and the Indians, they are coming up, and these Europeans, they are actually, they do, maybe they don't like it. I don't know what
कितना ट्रैक किया जाता है।
हर एक एथलीट अपना वेट मेंटेन करने के लिए कोशिश करता ही रहता है, क्योंकि वो बहुत ही समझदार प्लेयर होते हैं, ये लेवल पे जाते हैं।
we are in a shock actually, and we are not able to react also what to do. We don't know. We have not deleted our Facebook post.
And it was a great moment for all of us, but it is very unfortunate to hear that. Like, it's very sad for her also and for all the Indians that she could not qualify because of some technical reasons.
I could know, Vinesh Phogat has been disqualified this morning. Any thoughts? How are you feeling?
No, actually, we have a so this news got broken to us in the morning through a fan zone. So there are about 2,000 people who are attached to in a WhatsApp group called a fan zone, and we are part of it. And as soon as we received this news, we were shocked. I mean, so much shocked that yesterday night we posted it on our social media pages and this thing that how proud we are of Vinesh and her journey, like what she faced in India just couple of months back with this protest and all that, how she was not treated that well, and now she has come out of that and actually became the first woman to go to the finals, and we were so proud and we were so excited about it, and the whole community was supercharged. And today it's like all our, even the small kids that I spoken to, because I am attached to the school kids also, they were messaging, sir, how is this possible? How is this possible? How can they do that? Is there this thing? And what were they doing? Her health team and all that, what were they doing? They didn't know about this thing and all. So it is heartbreaking, and we don't know how to react actually. So all kind of things are coming to our mind, including the conspiracy theory, because we know that generally the Asians and the Indians, they are coming up, and these Europeans, they are actually maybe they don't like it. I don't know what or maybe someone has conspired somewhere to get some point that they should, but then that is something that is we are in a shock actually, and we are not able to react also what to do. We don't know. We have not deleted our Facebook posts. We want them, and we're very proud of her actually, because see, in life we know, because I have 25 years of experience working globally, and I know that setbacks are a part of this thing, but something like this, when you have seen her beat the previous Olympic winner, and go to the finals, we were actually looking forward her winning the gold or the silver, but whatever, she was the star. But I feel that what we have decided, and I was talking to my wife also, she said that whatever it is, where she was not caught taking drugs or something like that. It is just a technical thing of 50 grams or 100 grams and all that, and this has never happened. We have not heard this thing from other players like this thing. I think somewhere the system also failed her, like the system of taking care of her, the coaches, the food, the nutritionist and all that thing. They actually should have made sure that it doesn't matter, 100 grams is nothing. We run 500 kilometers, 200 kilometers, 200 meter, say for example 2 kilometers, we shed this much of this thing, weight. So why that was not, made sure that she is below that thing is beyond our comprehension. And that's how these conspiracy theories and all that come into mind. It's very natural for us. So we are still in a shock, and we feel that we don't know how to react. I mean, like this is something which is very surprising for us, and we are all heartbroken. Like it's the whole country, I think, is heartbroken because of this fact, and we feel that we should. Now we are the most populous country in the world, and we are not even able to win few goals. So maybe I think we deserve more goals and all that. And for us, Vinesh Phogat was a light. She was a light, and that light somehow something has happened which it has flickered. But I think that she will come up with this thing. We are with her, and we will always be with her. And whatever she does, and whatever in future, we feel that she will come back, and we know that she will come back.
And there's still some hope. There's of course Avinash Sabal, and there's also Neeraj Chopra, who have qualified for the finals. So hopes riding on them too. Hopes still not.
We have very high hopes with the Indian hockey team, because Indian hockey team fought very well, and it was a very tight match. So we are not feeling that much for them as we are feeling for Vinesh, because Vinesh fought very, very well, and so we are expecting a bronze medal in the hockey. And also, of course, Neeraj Chopra is something which has, I think he has thrown some 89 meters something, and that is something which will give him the gold, and we are hoping for that. We are also hoping for some in boxing and other sports maybe, but then this is something which we feel that we should, so the other day the embassy, I was speaking to the embassy because we connected with it, and this first secretary told me, Mehra ji, will we cross the last Olympics medal, will we pass them at least in the numbers? I said, even if we don't pass, we should maintain that thing. So that is our hope, and we feel that still there is some juice in the Indian team and all the games, and we will still at least match the last previous Olympic medal tally, and we are hoping for that. And that's what every day lot of people are coming to India House, not to taste food and to see the beautiful artifacts that they have, but to watch the Indian team perform there on the big screen.
मेरा नाम नरेश थपलियाल है, एंड आई एम एडवाइज़र इंटरनेशनल अफेयर्स इन स्वामी विवेकानंद शुभ भारती यूनिवर्सिटी इंडिया, एंड आई वर्क एंड लिव बिटवीन इंडिया एंड फ्रांस. तो कल ही मैंने अभी न्यूज़ में देखा कि विनेश फोगाट जो रेसलर हमारी इंडिया की, उसको डिसक्वालीफाई कर दिया है, एंड बड़ा आई फेल्ट वेरी बैड अबाउट दैट. उसके साथ नहीं होना चाहिए था, क्योंकि वो तो फाइनल में पहुंच गई थी, उसको तो गोल्ड लाना था. और लेकिन अचानक ये क्या होगा, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. मुझे तो लगता है कि कॉन्स्पिरेसी है, या कोई पॉलिटिकल वो है, आई डोंट नो, समथिंग इज़ गोइंग रॉन्ग. ये क्या कि लास्ट मूवमेंट में 100 ग्राम उसका वेट ज़्यादा हो गया, बट 100 ग्राम तो थोड़ा कुछ लिक्विड ले लें उससे बढ़ गया होगा. तो ये तो नेग्लिजिबल है. इसको इन्होंने कैसे, मैं तो अपने प्राइम मिनिस्टर जो है, ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया नरेंद्र मोदी जी से उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो इस चीज़ को मतलब जो इंटरनेशनल ओलंपिक एसोसिएशन है उनसे बात करके इसकी इंक्वायरी कराई जाए, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है इसमें कुछ ना कुछ कॉन्स्पिरेसी है. ये ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए था. सो मेरी गवर्नमेंट इंडिया, स्पोर्ट, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ स्पोर्ट जितने भी हैं, वो इसको बड़ी गंभीरता से लें, सीरियसली लें इस मैटर को. नहीं तो हमारा तो बिल्कुल, वी आर वेरी सैड, बिकॉज आई एम इन पेरिस फॉर लास्ट 2-3 months, एंड आई एम माई सेल्फ वर्किंग विद इंडिया हाउस, तो सारे जितने भी एथलीट्स हमारे यहाँ आते हैं, हम उनका ऑनर करते हैं. रिलायंस फाउंडेशन जो है, इंडिया हाउस जो ऑर्गेनाइज बाय इंडिया, डॉक्टर मिसेस नितिन, अजीत कर लोगे एक्चुअली, रिलायंस फाउंडेशन का जो इंडिया हाउस जो उन्होंने क्रिएशन है, उसमें हम सारे एथलीट जितने भी इंडिया के आ रहे हैं उनको ऑनर करते हैं, उनका वेलकम करते हैं. तो हम तो रोज़ उन लोगों से मिलते हैं, और हमें तो बहुत ही बुरा लगा इस बारे में. तो मेरी इंडियन गवर्नमेंट से हाथ जोड़ के एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि इस मैटर को सीरियसली इसकी इंक्वायरी कराई जाए. थैंक यू सो मच, हैव ए ग्रेट डे.
इन्वॉल्व है यहाँ पे पेरिस.
अब मेरा नाम है शक्ति सिंह गोहिल. मैं बास्केटबॉल से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ. बास्केटबॉल फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडिया में चेयरमैन सिलेक्शन कमेटी हूँ मैं, और मैं हमारे फेडरेशन की ओर से हम लोग आए हुए यहाँ से भेजे गए उसमें से मैं
और सर विनेश फोगाट अनफॉर्चुनेटली डिस्क्वालीफाई हो गई आज सुबह, उस पर आपका कुछ रिएक्शन, क्या कहना चाहते हैं आप उस पर?
नहीं, फोगाट के लिए रिएक्शन में तो ऐसा है कि हम खुद को बैड लक हमारा गिनते हैं कि भाई चलो भारतीय बास्केटबॉल भारतीय टीम को एक गोल्ड मेडल जीतना चाहिए था, वो हाथ से चला गया। तो उसमें बाय बैड लक हमारे से ज़्यादा तो फोगाट के लिए है कि उसका गोल्ड चला गया।
जी। और सर और कुछ मतलब जैसे कि उनका वेट जो था वो कुछ 100 ग्राम ज़्यादा आया है, तो क्योंकि आप हैं एसोसिएशन के साथ में, कैसे चलता है ये एथलीट्स का वेट वगैरह, कितना ट्रैक किया जाता है?
हर एक एथलीट अपना वेट मेंटेन करने के लिए कोशिश करता ही रहता है, क्योंकि वो बहुत ही समझदार प्लेयर होते हैं, ये लेवल पे जाते हैं तो, और उसको पता भी है कि कैसे वेट को मेंटेन करना, और मेंटेन करते ही रहते हैं। इतनी टूर्नामेंटों से वो एशियन गेम में भी खेलते हैं, वर्ल्ड कप में भी खेलते हैं या ओलंपिक में भी खेलते हैं, तो वो सब उसको अंदाज़ा है। लेकिन बाय मिस्टेक कहीं ना कहीं गलती रह गई है, तो वो उससे ज़्यादा हम कह भी क्या सकते हैं कि गलती रह गई तो हमारा लॉस है, बस वो मेडल का लॉस हुआ, वही एक मेन बात है।
थैंक यू सो मच सर हमसे बातचीत करने के
थैंक
लिए।
यू।
I'll just request you to introduce yourself और आप कैसे मतलब यहाँ पे इंडियन टीम के साथ में जुड़े हुए हैं, एंड उसके बाद में थोड़ा सा विनेश फोगाट के ऊपर। जी तो
तो
अगर
आप पूछेंगे जब विनेश फोगाट के ऊपर तभी बोलूँगा
हाँ
ना।
जी बिल्कुल। तो सर अगर आप इंट्रोड्यूस कर पाए खुद को।
Like I am Kulvinder Singh Gill, the Secretary General of Basketball Federation of India. I am here for the basketball matches which are going on in Olympics.
And sir, in what capacity do you serve as the? In what capacity are you involved with the basketball team, the Indian basketball?
No, Indian basketball team has not qualified for the this Olympics, but we are here for the basketball games and all,
Okay, all
for
right.
the Olympics.
And so unfortunately we got some bad news this morning. Vinesh Fogart, the wrestler, was disqualified for being some grams overweight. Any reactions on that?
Correct. No, yesterday, like every Indian was feeling very proud that she has qualified for the finals, and it was a great moment for all of us. But it is very unfortunate to hear that. Like it's very sad for her also and for all the Indians that she could not qualify because of some technical reasons. So regarding that, because Indian Olympic Association is here, so they are the correct person who are there to judge there. I think what I read in the news, the Prime Minister also has talked to the Indian Olympic President PT Usha and told her to find the ways in which we can help. So let's hope if something happens. Otherwise, we are really feeling very bad.
So would you know if there is any remedy? अगर कुछ remedy होती है, अगर ऐसा कुछ हो जाता है तो for
No, actually, every game has its own rules. So in wrestling also, they might be having rules according to the Olympics and all. So whatever will be done, it will be done according to the rules only. So I can't comment on that actually.
no worries sir. And,
But we are feeling very sad.
इंडिया को मेडल मिलते मिलते रह गया सर. We almost clinched the gold with Fogart.
Correct. Because she was performing excellently very well. In semis also, she won 5-0. She beat previously the previous gold medalist of the Olympics. So let's see. Let's hope. Let's keep our fingers crossed if something can happen.